Are modern armed helicopters still useful? Of course, not only still have important uses, but also are undergoing technological innovation and mission expansion, and continue to play a key role in modern warfare. Today, Brother Zhang takes stock of his core combat uses. He is still irreplaceable. Armed helicopters, with their unique low-altitude maneuverability and strong firepower, still have advantages in the following traditional areas. First, anti-tank and armored targets. Armed helicopters are known as tank killers. Foreign simulated confrontation tests show that the probability of opportunity between tanks and helicopters is 12:1 to 9.1. In many local wars, armed helicopters are significantly second in warring states in anti-outfit fake operations. Close fire support and cover can provide accurate and timely fire support for ground troops. In the Gulf War, the AH-64 helicopter successfully covered multinational forces to quickly break into the enemy's 80-kilometer deep area. Its response speed is fast, and the average time from call to support arrival is very short. Third, special operations and rapid assault, re-raid, and rescue personnel play a prominent role. For example, in the early 2026 military operations against Venezuela and Russia, the U.S. military was used by helicopters such as AH-64 A-64D and Apache to play a pioneering role in ultra-low altitude penetration. In the face of new threats such as drones, armed helicopters are expanding into new businesses. For example, the first anti-drone operation, the U.S. AH-64D, was successful. Apache test using Hellfire missiles and millimeter-wave radar and combat drone-armed helicopters with its air, mobility, and detection advantages become an important part of the anti-drone system. Second, intelligent and networked. The development direction includes the use of artificial intelligence-assisted decision-making systems to cooperate with drones. As a drone command hen, it is deeply integrated into the battlefield information network and becomes a battlefield awareness node. However, armed helicopters also face severe challenges, mainly due to the widespread proliferation of portable air defense missiles and the competition of low-cost drones, which has led to increased pressure on the battlefield to survive. The Future Armed Reconnaissance Helicopter project of the U.S. military was once called off.